Here, in the palm of my hand, rests a sapling, an organism so small, so fragile, yet containing the blueprint for an entire being. We embark on a journey to give this tree the best start. Our journey begins right here in your own backyard. With care and knowledge, we can nurture these young trees. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of planting and contribute to a greener planet, one sapling at a time. Our first step is selecting the right companion. Examine the sapling closely. A healthy specimen will have vibrant green leaves, free from blemishes. Its stem should be strong and sturdy. Consider the environment where the sapling will grow. Each tree species thrives in specific climates. Choose a species native to your area for better survival. The soil beneath our feet is a complex ecosystem teeming with life. Before planting our young tree, ensure the soil is nutrient-rich and well-drained. Loosen the soil with a garden fork for better aeration and root penetration. Add organic matter like compost or manure. Well-prepared soil is happy soil, and happy soil makes a thriving sapling. With our soil prepared, we now turn our attention to excavating the sapling's new home. The size of the hole is crucial. It should be twice as wide as the sapling's root ball, providing ample space for outward growth. The depth should be equal to the height of the root ball. Digging too deep can cause the sapling to sink, while a shallow hole risks exposing the roots to the elements. Before we introduce our sapling to its new home, a gentle inspection of its roots is in order. Carefully remove the sapling from its container, taking care not to damage the delicate root system. If the roots appear tightly bound, it's essential to loosen them gently. Loosening the roots encourages them to spread outwards into the surrounding soil, promoting better nutrient and water absorption. Now comes the moment of truth, the culmination of our efforts thus far. Gently lower the sapling into the center of the prepared hole. Ensure that the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Once positioned correctly, hold the sapling straight and begin backfilling the hole with the amended soil. With the sapling nestled in its new home, we begin the process of securing its future. Using your hands or a small trowel, gently pack the soil around the base of the sapling, filling in any air pockets. Avoid compacting the soil too tightly. Once the hole is filled, water the sapling thoroughly, allowing the water to soak deeply into the root zone. To give our sapling a strong start, we'll add mulch around the base, forming a circle about 2 feet in diameter. Mulch acts as a protective blanket, insulating the soil, suppressing weeds and retaining moisture. Use organic materials like wood chips, bark or compost. These decompose slowly, enriching the soil. Congratulations! You've successfully planted a sapling, contributing to a greener planet. Like all living things, our sapling needs ongoing care, especially early on. Monitor soil moisture, watering deeply when the top inch is dry. Inspect regularly for pests and diseases. With time and care, your sapling will grow strong, its roots anchoring it firmly, its branches reaching skyward. As we step back and admire our handiwork, we witness not just a newly planted sapling, but a symbol of hope, a testament to nature's resilience. This sapling will grow, providing shade, shelter, and beauty to our world. Each ring that forms stands as a testament to planting. So go forth and plant a tree. Embrace the joy of nurturing life and know you've played a part in a greener future. Happy planting.